We are going to continue counting words and sentences. So we will listen carefully and you'll tell me how many words by using your fingers like the top of the iPad. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 words. So go ahead and close your eyes. So as you see the sentence, that's kind of cheating. So close your eyes and let's count. The first sentence is, come here. How many fingers did you hold up? Did you say 2? You are right. Close your eyes. If I said the sentence, that is a big frog, how many words? Did you have to use all 5 fingers? Nice counting. Let's try another one. Close your eyes. The chicken is white. How many words? Did you say 4? Open up and see them. The chicken is white. See how there's spaces between each word? That's how I know it's a new word. Close your eyes. We have 3 more. Close your eyes. The sentence is, the coat is brown. How many words? Did she say 4? Nice. Close your eyes. How about, please sit down? Did she say 3 words? Nice counting. Last one. Close your eyes. I run quickly. Did she count 3 words? Nice job. Our new word this week is the. Pets are great. Talk about the things that different pets can do. Remember to use the word the in your sentence. These are the ones I came up with. The dog can beg. What's your sentence? The dog can. What else can a dog do? Tell someone in your house the sentence. The cat can. I could say the cat can purr. Let's try one more using the word the. The bird can. What can a bird do? I could say the bird can fly. Thank you for listening. Now go finish the rest of your work.